Hey guys, what's up? It's Lucas, and today it's raining. Yeah. But we're using my dad's skateboard right here. We're gonna be sliding down, and there's a tube on it, so we're just gonna sit down.
A tube? You mean a lid for a tub?
Yeah, for a tub.
So
and then
yeah,
we're gonna go down.
There's
Here, I'll give you a demonstration.
Yeah, and I'm under the umbrella right now.
Yeah, that's our watching station.
Yeah, our watching, not our washing.
I said watching.
No,
Okay,
you said washing.
Okay, so I'm going down, and as you can see, I'm going down, but I'm gonna turn.
Yeah, so you either lift down one side to go up the opposite side, or you push down one side to go down the opposite side. All right, so Lucas, come back. All right, so now it's gonna be my turn to test it out. So yeah, Lucas, come on, you're off camera now.
So, yeah. We say that in all of our videos.
Yeah, because you always are off camera.
I know I'm always off on. I know I'm always off camera.
Okay. So
I got the shot. Go.
we're using Lucas's skateboard
My
and
dad's.
my umbrella.
Mhm.
Yeah, his dad's skateboard. Does it really
It's raining, and there is an umbrella under the phone, so it doesn't get wet.
above the phone?
Yeah, above the phone, so it doesn't get wet.
Yeah, and we're using like the handle of the umbrella as like a stand.
A stand, yeah.
No.
This is really fun. Okay, she's about to go and go. Okay, there she goes. And okay, she went off the curb. Now she's going off screen, and she's off screen. Oh, that didn't sound good. Are you okay? You hit the driveway? Yeah, Grace hit the driveway. All right, come back. No, I can't. I don't want it to get wet.
That's not my phone, right?
No, it's mine. All right, come back. Now, wait, what? Why are you leaving it?
Because I want to show you where I landed.
Fine. See it.
I landed on the driveway.
Right here. That's where it stopped?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so
All right. So now we're gonna go back. All right, I'll bring the camera over there and the umbrella. All right. Oh gosh, it's rain. It's starting to get the rain's starting to get even heavier.
Guys, disclaimer, this is not my house. The one I'm at, Grace is in my house. Disclaimer, this is not my house. I'm not Grace's house. Oh, and also disclaimer, don't type this. Grace is not my sister. Don't type that. I know you guys are doing it. Don't put in the easy comments. We're not siblings. She lives exactly right next door to me.
Here, Lucas, I'm gonna come over.
No.
I just want to show you something.
Alright guys, I hope you guys can see me. I'm over here. And now we are going to go down.
All right, come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
All right. He's kind of over here.
Discovery Channel.
All right, Lucas, come on.
Oh.
All right.
We're gonna do a couple more races.
Yeah, this is like so much fun. We've actually been doing a lot off camera.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah. All right. So you can zoom in, zoom out. Do whatever you want with the camera. Come on, you're the camera.
Yep. Oh, no.
Oh, not that. Don't do that for the camera.
Okay, I'll just hold.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Go down. All right, she's going down. And, oh. Now she's turning. Don't hit the car. Whoa. You okay?
Yeah.
She just skid like crazy. All right, come back.
Dude, did you see my hair?
Yeah, I saw your leg too. You went yeet.
Skidded against the
It's my water. I'm gonna drink some water. Just my cup. Just my school cup. No! I'm gonna drink some water when she gets back.
Lucas, look. Don't put babies in the tub.
Are you serious? Look. It says, warning, suffocation risk, attention. Okay, I can't speak other languages. Suffocation risk. Jeez, all right, Grace, hold.
And then it's a picture of a baby, in a tub.
In the tub. Okay, Grace, hold.
Who would put their baby? No, hold on. Who would put their baby in the tub?
I don't know. Stupid person.
It's just like, all right, this is your timeout corner. Get in the tub.
I know. We're doing our last rounds. So guys, this is gonna be the last round. And then we're gonna have to wrap the video up. So I'm gonna do my last one. Grace is gonna do her last one, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna put as much power on it as I can.
Do you want me to push it?
No, I'm just gonna put it. I'm gonna back it up into my garage. So I'm gonna back it up. I'm in my garage now. Yes, I'm right here. You guys, watch out for the umbrella. I don't want to hit it.
All right.
You put the tub on equal sides. Okay, I think I broke it, but it doesn't matter. You guys, watch out. I don't want to hit you or the phone.
Okay, fine.
I'm gonna duck down. Done.
Hold up, I'm coming over. Did you,
I went over here. Oh, that didn't sound good. And then I almost hit the car.
did you hit it?
No.
Almost. All right, come on. My turn. Yes, we will do this like every day. It'll never get old. All right. All right, setting back up the camera. And Lucas, come on, you can do this stuff. No, I just need to make sure it's on.
Guys, I have a question for you. So yesterday, I bought this ring. It's triple layered of diamonds, and the outside is gold. Hold on. Get it off so you guys can see it. No! Get it.
Okay.
It's gonna turn black. Okay, so this is the ring. It's a very nice ring. Some gold in the insides. Triple layer of diamonds. Comment down below how much you think I bought this for. And then I'll tell you the answer in our next video. Our next video is going to be the answer to how much this was. Okay, so this is going to be Grace's last go. Why are you holding it?
I don't know. 'Cause you gave it to me.
Okay, I'm going to put the ring back on. Okay, it's on. I don't know why I chose to put it on my middle finger. It's just how it stands up. Here, I'm just going to only put it up the middle finger. I'm not trying to flip you guys off or anything. I just want you guys to see it without my other fingers standing out. There we go. I'm not flipping you guys off. I'm not. Huh.
Jeez.
Well, guys, comment down below how much you think I got this for.
All right, I'm going.
And no, Grace, it is not. She goes. Oh no, she's gonna hit it. No! Grace! And she's out of the picture. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's going to be a 10-minute long video. Rather short video, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button if you did. And see you guys next time. Peace. I do a peace. And peace. And see you guys next time. See ya.